Hi guys, today we got this puppy dog friends clubhouse and there is some puppets inside. I want to get the green one and the blue one, but let's see who we got. And y'all can find those in dollar store. So there are of course stickers and our puppy. Let's see who we got. Aw, it's just a itty bitty cutie. Look how cute he is. Okay, let's unpack him. Just unpack this cutie. Let's see who we got. Oh, he's fuzzy. Mommy,
What?
can you feel him? He's fuzzy.
Yes, he is just like a real puppy.
I see on the note there is
It says,
and there is a picture of him with a greenhouse, and they actually came with a house that the guys in the factory made.
at the factory.
At the factory.
Yes, you've got a gray dog with a purple
So
house.
let's see who we got. Let's see. And we got.
You can decorate the house actually. Mishinka.
We got Roger.
Okay, cool.
He's so cute. You get you. He's so cute. He's so pretty.
All right.
I'll keep him safe in this doghouse, and I will put.
You can
my
decorate the dog
favorite
house.
Part. Stickers. My favorite part about everything is stickers.
All right.
Stickers are just my favorite. Yay! Also, so it's a puppy. Can't believe the puppy is so funny. Like Jimmy from
No, I don't think so. You think it's a roof?
Yep, it is. Oh. So we get our line. We take the circles off. We can go ahead and take them off. I'm making my cute little doggy house. Here is the grass. It goes right here. It's for the grasshoppers and the bunnies. It even comes with a fence. Okay, just need to get this one. In the next yard, there is a snark snack.
Okay.
I mean, Roger's snack.
Mm-hmm.
And on the last yard, they played ball.
Okay.
Whoa, the house looks so cool.
Let us see. Show us the house.
It looks fancy if you put Roger in there. Ta-da! Look at this house.
Oops. Sorry.
Isn't it
Dropped it.
cute?
Mm-hmm.
I want another one of those.
Okay, now say goodbye to you, to the kids, Mish.
Okay, goodbye guys. I hope you liked the video. See you tomorrow.